If you're seeing LibreOffice error 2503 on Windows, don't worry, this is usually a permissions issue, and in this video, I'll show you the quickest workaround to get the installer running successfully. We're going to launch the LibreOffice MSI file with elevated administrator permissions so Windows can stop blocking the setup process. This is a fast fix, it's simple to follow, and it often works when the normal double-click install method fails. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, click the Windows Start menu and type CMD into the search bar. When command prompt appears, don't open it normally. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the installer needs elevated access to bypass the restriction that causes error 2503. Once command prompt opens, leave that window ready for the next step. Now open File Explorer and locate the LibreOffice installation file you downloaded. This will usually be the .msi installer package. When you find it, hold down the Shift key, then right-click the installer file. From the menu that appears, choose Copy as Path. This copies the full file location exactly as Windows needs it, including the correct path and file name. Now go back to the Administrator command prompt window. Right-click inside the window to paste the path you copied, and then press Enter. At this point, Windows will launch the LibreOffice Setup Wizard with full administrative access. Because the installer is being run from an elevated command prompt, it can often bypass the permissions issue that triggers error 2503. If everything works correctly, the installation wizard should open normally, and you can continue the setup from there without being stopped by the error. If you still have the installer open in another window, make sure you're using the .msi file and not just a shortcut or a different installer type. The key part of this method is running the installer from the admin command prompt so Windows treats it with the proper permissions. This workaround is especially useful if you just want the fastest possible fix and don't want to spend time changing advanced system settings. Once the setup wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions to finish installing LibreOffice. In most cases, that's enough to get past the 2503 error and complete the installation successfully. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.